What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a new video. So right here I got this wallet, right? So I've been investigating this wallet for quite some time now, and it's sitting at a 4,589,000, right? So basically I was like trying to figure out how this dude making all this money, right? And yeah, I was like investigating his movements and how he managed to make this kind of money. Like, now, like, meme coins and everything it's been quite rough. But yeah, Solana is at like a 94 right now. And yeah, it's been a bit rough. So there's, it's not actually trading that he's doing. He's doing something else, like something new. He's basically making money with arbitrage bots. So what he's doing is using some kind of bot, something like this bot that I discovered, bot. So it's a lightweight arbitrage bot that scans markets for profitable price spreads and executes trades based on user-defined conditions. So basically, when you start the bot, it's like an ultra-low latency designed for Solana's lightning fast and Ethereum too. So this bot, you can like use it for Solana or Ethereum, like whatever you like. But it's gonna like scan multi-dex arbitrage opportunities, right? So yeah, this wallet has been doing this. He's been like doing it with the multiple wallets and then dumping all the profits in this wallet. I'm watching actually. So yeah, it wasn't 4 million. Let me tell you, I've been watching this wallet for quite some time now. It was like 2 mil, then 3, then 4, and it's been going up since then. So yeah, this is something that can change your life. This is something huge. The arbitrage is like a competitive game, right? But with the right developers, you can get your hands on a very good and high-speed arbitrage bot that can like make you profits. So this bot is the bot that's gonna make you profit. So all you gotta do is start now, and nanobot setup guide, high-speed arbitrage now on Solana and Ethereum. You gotta import like a Solana wallet or an Ethereum wallet, or you can like import both of them, and then you're gonna like start the bot, and status is gonna be active, and then it's gonna be generating profits. I've told you guys about it a couple of times now, and I've tested it out myself. I'm gonna like put like a tutorial how to use it really quickly. But yeah, today I'm trying to talk about the profits that this bot can do. Like, I've started out with 5k actually on this. It's been like about a month now, and let me tell you, it's going well. Surprisingly, it's going really well. I'm gonna drop a video of the profits that I've made with this bot, but yeah, this bot is the new thing. Arbitrage 2026. Yeah, this is the new thing. So if you're trying to like get into this, you can go ahead and try the bot for yourself. Like, this is the link to the bot. You can go ahead and try it. It's nanoarb-bot. So yeah, I'm gonna attach a tutorial video and how much profits it can bring you. Like, so yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in another video.